Little Learner TV.
Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn English alphabets and their sounds. In simple words, we are going to learn phonics. So let's get started. This is letter A and A says A. Apple. Kids, say the sound of letter A with me. A. Let's sing the song of letter A together. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. Bravo! You are doing it very well. Can you guys guess the next letter? Yes, the next letter is letter B. And letter B says B. Can you say it with me? Butterfly. Butterfly. Let's sing the song of letter B together. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. So friends, the next letter is letter C and C says K. C says K. Cat. Say it with me. Cat. Let's sing the song of letter C together. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. I hope you really enjoyed it. So, can you guess the next letter? It's letter D, E or F. Very well done. It's letter D. And the sound of letter D is D. Can you say it with me? Dolphin. Say it with me. Dolphin. I like dolphin. Do you like the dolphin? Amazing. We both like dolphin. The song of letter D is my favorite. Let's sing it together. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me playing upon my drum. Now let's move on to our next letter. And the next letter is letter E. E says A. Egg. Egg. Let's sing the song of letter E together. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this, Can you guess the next letter? Yes, the next letter is letter F. F says frog. Frog. Let's sing the song of letter F together. My friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Next letter is letter G and G says G. G says G. Grapes. Grapes. Kids, ask your mommy to tell you a story. That is, the grapes are sour. Let's sing the song of letter G together. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gug. This was quite tough. Let's move on to the next letter. That is letter H. The sound of letter H is Can you do it with me? H, horse. H, horse. Let's sing the song of letter H together. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. Did you enjoy doing? If yes, then that was the sound of letter H. The sound of letter I is E. E. I, E, igloo. I, E, igloo. Song of letter I is quite tough, so sing it with me. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Practice this song as much as you can. The next letter is J. J says J. J says J. J, juice. J, juice. Well, if you like jelly, then this song is going to be your favorite song. Let's sing it together. Jelly and jam, jingling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? I really like jellies. Which flavor of jelly do you like? That's nice. So the next letter is letter K. And the sound of letter K is same as letter C. Can you guess the sound of letter K? Amazing! It's K. Key. K. Key. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. I love to watch flying kites in the sky. Our next letter is letter L. And the sound of letter L is L. Do it with me. L. L. Leaf. L. Leaf. Song of letter L is quite amazing, and you are going to love it. Let's sing it together. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. The next letter is letter M, and M says monkey. Monkey. Do your mom and dad cook delicious food for you? If yes, then sing it with me. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry childrens. Go to your mommy and say thank you for making delicious foods for you. The next letter is letter N, and N says N says notebook. Notebook. Let's sing the song of letter N together. Hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, making lots of noise. Let's move on to our next letter. That is letter O. And the sound of letter O is O. Orange. Orange. Do you turn on and turn off the light? If yes, then sing it with me. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Our next letter is letter P. And P says P. P says P. P, P, pan. P, P, pan. Sing the song of letter P with me. Puff out the candle on the pink pig cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candle on the pink pig cake. Puff, puff, puff. Next letter is letter Q. And the sound of letter Q is same as the duck says. Quack, quack. Q, quack, question. Q, quack, question. The next letter is letter R. R says R. R says R. R, ring. R, ring. Let's sing the song of letter R together. See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. Next letter is letter S. And the sound of letter S is S. S, snake. S, snake. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Our next letter is letter T. T says T. T says T. T, tree. T, tree. Kids, have you ever played tennis? If yes, then sing it with me. When I watch the tennis game. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Our next letter is letter U. And the sound of letter U is U, umbrella. U, umbrella. Let's sing the song of letter U together. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it start to rain. Song was quite amazing. So here is a question for you. What color of umbrella do you have? Amazing. Our next letter is letter V. And V says V. V says V. V, violin. V, violin. Let's sing the song of letter V together. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Woo! Song was amazing. Let's move on to our next letter. That is letter W. The sound of letter W is V. V. W, V, watermelon. W, V, watermelon. The song of letter W is so amazing. Let's sing it together. I see the clouds moving. V, V, V. I see the kites flying. V, V, V. I see the trees bending. V, V, V. The wind is blowing strong. Our next letter is letter X. And X says X. X says X. X, X, xylophone. X, X, xylophone. Let's sing its amazing song together. X, X, take an X-ray. X, X, take an X-ray. X, X, take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. Our next letter is letter Y. And Y says Y. Y says y. Y yacht. Y yacht. Let's sing the amazing song of letter Y together. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's move on to our next letter, and next letter is the last letter of English alphabet. That is letter Z. The sound of letter Z is same as the sound of a buzzing bee. Zzz, zzz. Z, zoo. Z, zoo. Let's sing the song of letter Z together. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this. Kids, this was quite fun to be with you. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, then do subscribe to our channel. And we will have fun together in the upcoming next videos. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.